Introducing our Centrifugal HT machine that, by changing the material carriers, enable us to dye-toe fiber bobbins tops. Then the machine can be built in small dimensions for small batches up to the 8.5 meters height machines for special applications. The study of the hydraulic circuit realized by our engineers allows us to reduce energy consumption by 30 to 40% in comparison to others' machines. Another very important and relevant thing we focus on is the external flanged exchanger with easy access for maintenance and care.